Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can transfer money from Chime to Cash App. So for that you need to open up your Cash App, and after opening up your Cash App you will be able to see this option of your profile on the top right hand side corner. Just click on it and scroll down, then you will be able to see this option of linked bank accounts. So just click on it, then you will find this option of link debit card. Just click on it. After that, you can just add your debit card or your Chime card details over here. And if you don't want to add your Chime card details, then just simply click on no card and wait for a while until it loads complete. After that, click on continue. Then in the search bar, you just have to type Chime. And after that, just select Chime. And all you have to do is just log into your Chime account using your Chime details, and this way you will be able to link your Chime account to your Cash App account. And whenever you want to transfer your money from Chime to Cash App, just go on the linked accounts on Cash App, and there you will be able to see this option of cash in. Just click on it and get the cash from Chime to Cash App, and you will also be able to do the vice versa. And this is how you transfer money from Chime to Cash App. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.